1 2 3 1 2 3, and I hope everything is alright. Okay, hello. Now just watching me only one guy. So hello, this strongest man or woman, sorry. Can you hear me? Please write below. If not, I will wait someone, or I will check it on my phone. Hold on. Okay, 2 more people, so we can start. Not only one. Okay, hello guys, and welcome back again to my stream. Today we have a special topic. It's more interesting for you, I hope it will be. Topic about the adaptive family. So, and I think enough talking, and I will show you what we will do today. So here I have, just hold on. I'm here, as you can see, everything working. I will just find on the second screen where is that? Hold on. Here is the somewhere. Here is my panel. Here. Let's open up, and I will show you what we will do today. This is actually what I will gonna do today. It's really a nice thing. And this is called adaptive family without any parameters. So you know, when we creating something in Revit, we are always using a lot of parameters, right? And you sometimes become crazy, like what you gonna do with these parameters and where is these parameters. As you can see, here's my adaptive family, and if I will go inside to the parameters, as you can see here, not any parameters at all. Only just one constant parameters, which will be always. So here 0. And if we will look inside to this model warframe, you will see here a lot of reference planes. So, and this is we're gonna do today. So I hope you interesting that, but I will open the Revit 2019 because I have one more nice thing for you guys today. So where's my Revit 2019, and let's open up it. So it's loading up, and maybe you have some questions right now. By the way, did you check my previous video? I said about I will invite to some special guest. So did you see the last video? The special guest was the modmin. I hope you know this guy, and this guy really famous with the sketches because he posting the sketches around the world. Okay, just hold on because my Revit still loading, and when it will load, I will put it. I will put here on the screen. So just hold on. By the way, can you hear me properly or no? You can hear me now. Every time I saying, guys, please write me. Thank you, Rhinos or Rhinos, sorry. I think we will create now adaptive family. Just I will say fast. We will create now adaptive family. Now I'm using the adaptive points. I just opened the metric generic adaptive family. Thank you, Rhinos. And now I will use these dots like the parents for my reference planes. Sorry. So and now I'm talking just only about that. So okay, so let's start. Here is my 4 dots. You don't need to align it, but if you wanna work more properly, and as you know, it's more useful when you're working with all symmetrical. That's why I did everything symmetrical. So that's why. So let's go back to the references, and here I will find my lines. And just make sure you are using 3D snapping. Let's use from these dots to these dots, from that dot to that dot, and just on and on. And to here. Done. So let's check it out. For example, I will select now my dot. Sir, please, custom pattern tutorial. I did custom pattern tutorial, so you can check my previous video. I think 1 week ago I did. Check my previous video. If you not understand, just come back and maybe we will do it later on in this stream. So as you can see, here is my dot. Let's move it. As you can see, all my reference lines also moved. This is a really cool feature. So why I need that? Because I will use today the Rhino. Sorry guys, yes, I will use today Rhino, but I will show you the high level of the Rhino, how you can export to the Revit with the Revit families. So you every time you're asking why I'm using the Rhino, and I will show you why. What I'm gonna do now? Now I need to create more supports. I will go to the right view, and now what I'm gonna do? Now I will go into the reference, and I will find here dot elements. Let's use dot elements, and let's put 1 dot here, 1 dot here, and few dots on this side, and 2 dots on that side, and 2 more dots here. Okay, so we did it. So what we're gonna do next? Next, I want to use the reference line again, and again 3D snapping from that line to that line. Okay, so and after that you can use, for example, align. Why not? And you will align all these dots. Even you can use align for the dots. For example, this dot you can align to that dot, and now you can see this is on one line. So again, I'm doing that only for me, only to create it more symmetrical. So let's use again, let's go to the reference, and here you will find again line. Let's use the line from that dot and to that dot. You will see later on why we are doing that thing, and you will understand why. So we did it, and I will show you one more thing now. If you will move that one, you can see all my lines moving, and it's not crashing. We don't have any parameters yet, as you can see, and we not will have any parameters at all today. This is new way. Let's say this is new way. Okay, so we did a few dots, but I just wanna understand, for example, the distance between two these lines. I will select this line, and I will say will be like 150 millimeters. Why not 150 millimeters? And I will delete this dimension, because now if my dot will move, it always will be here 150 millimeters. Now you understand. So let's use dimension again. I will use dimension here, just only to make it 150 millimeters, and after that I will delete it. Let's make the same thing here. Maybe let's make a bit different. Here will be 250 millimeters. 250 millimeters, and I will delete this line too. I mean dimension, sorry. And one more time, just make sure here is your line. Let's select them, and let's say 250 millimeters. Okay, so and let's delete it. This is our frame, and let's create geometry to you will better understand with geometry, right? I will create some geometry, and after that I don't need lock. I don't need lock it at all. I said I not will use any parameters because I will tell you okay now why we don't need lock, because if you will select this dot, you will see this dot have their own the number on this coordinates. This dot have the coordinates, and this dot will be always on these coordinates. It doesn't matter what you will do. For example, here is my dot and main dot, yeah, and I will, for example, put it here. It's always be on the same coordinate, as you can see. So that's why we don't need any parameters and lock. I just making array, you know, that's why I'm using the dimensions. So, and yeah, let's create first geometry. I will use these lines. As you can see, 4 lines on the boundary, and after that I will create the form. Let's create the form. Create the form. It will take time, and I will use the extrusion. As you can see, here is extrusion, and let's make extrusion like 250 millimeters. Let's say okay. So here is our extrusion. Awesome. And now I want to make it like a profile. But how I can make it, how I can do this like a profile if I have here this extrusion? Pretty simple. Just let's go to the left view. Now I will switch to the wireframe mode because I don't wanna see my 3D geometry. And as you can see, we have here the intersection. And if I will use, for example, the reference lines and again lines, don't forget about 3D snapping. I can snap here. I can snap here, and just I will continue it. Yes, I'm creating line on the line. Yes, you will see why. Because I need new 4 lines, new loop actually. And if I will put my mouse here, you will see we have the loop. And let's make solid form. Let's create the solid form. Let's switch to the hidden line. And let's make it 250 millimeters, minus 250 millimeters, or let's make it bigger, minus 500 millimeters. It's okay. Hello, how are you? And as you can see, here is our wireframe. Oh, warframe. It's not about the game, I mean our frame, sorry guys. So here is our frame, and as I said, if for example I will move this dot here, it always will be as we want. So this is magic, right? So do you wanna continue? I think yes. Let's continue. For example, I did the big one. I did big one, the void, but I don't wanna make the big one void. I want make one void on this side and one void on that side. So I will go back. So now I'm using now Ctrl Z because I'm going back, and I will delete all these lines what I have created. Why? Because I need 1 extra lines. So I just want showing you 3D. Now you understand how it's working, and now we will do it more complicated. So let's make it exactly on the middle. 1 line here and 1 line here. Okay, and 1 line here I will do on that side. And oh, sorry, this is my mistake. Let's create first dots. I will create dots exactly on the middle, like this, and I will do dot one that side and few dots on that side. Okay, let's go to the line now. This dot to that dot to that one, and 2 more here. Let's say okay. Sir, I'm asking for the family pattern, just like the pattern-based family template. Pattern-based family. Oh, could you frame? Yes, it will be parametric. You will see just in 15 minutes, I think. Pattern-based family. But okay, I will show you later on. So okay. I understand you didn't get what I did there. I will show you. Okay, so here it is. Now I will use align, and let's align these dots to that dot to that one. And again, I will use the some dimensions only to check my size of my line. This line will be 75 millimeter, and this line will be 75 millimeter too. And I will delete these lines. these dimensions. As you can see, we get it. So what I'm gonna do now I will, because we have now the solid form, and I want to create here the opening, and here I want to create opening, right? So let's go back to the wireframe mode, and let's go to the references, and here we will find the line. And now I'm using that thing to here, from here to that side, from that side to that side, and one more here. Let's close it, and let's create on this side too. Everything same. Maybe you will think why we are doing that. I will tell you one really nice thing. Adaptive family, it's more useful than when you're using the parametric things. Just believe me. So now you can see here the loop lines, and let's make it void form. Let's extrude it. Now I will change my direction to the hidden line, and I will change direction to that side. Oh, sorry. Yeah, why I say sorry, I don't know. Minus 500 millimeters. Let's say okay. As you can see, the void. Let's go back to the wireframe mode again. Why am I saying wireframe mode? I'm sorry, guys. Again, our loop lines here, and let's create the void form. Let's extrude it, and extrude it to minus 500 millimeters. Let's go back to the hidden line, and here we are. Here is what I want. Yes, I understand this is a bit hard to create. Yes, I understand that, but if you will do that, after that, your family will be really useful. For example, as you can see, it's really working. As you can see, it's nothing changing. I mean, nothing crashing like this. Maybe it's my screen, but under part. You mean which under part not visible? Oh, it's really strange. Yes, I can see. Wow, guys. Yeah, you cannot see the right side. No, it's not your screen. I'll check what's going on, because yeah, you cannot see my properties. I'll put it somewhere here. You cannot see my properties. This is really worse. So I hope you can see now my properties, right? Let's do like this, okay, guys? Maybe I did wrong. Yeah, sorry, guys. Yeah, thank you. What I said now it's really working perfectly. So I not will spend now your time, my time to create some inside, for example, more panels. You understand how it's working, right? And now I will switch off to the Rhino. Why I'm switch off to the Rhino? I will show you how we can use it, these dots and this panel, with Rhino and Revit. I hope you will find it interesting. So what I'm gonna do now? Now I will open Rhino. Oh, I don't know why I am opening Opera. So let's open the Rhino. Rhino is here. Just few seconds, because I said opening to Opera. Let's close it up. Oh, it will take time. I'm sorry. Because I'm opening so much things in one time, and it's streaming. Oh, so I will close it now. It's done. I will close the Opera, and here is our Rhino. I hope you can see now bottom mode from my screen, because I chose the wrong resolution. Sorry. I cannot change it right now. If I will change, I should stop this stream. So can you see everything right now? Can you tell me about that? I can make it a bit smaller even. I'll try make it a bit smaller. I think it's like this. Just give me a second. I will check my video. I mean streaming. Can you help me, guys? Just tell me, can you see everything or no? So as I can see on the screen, I should make a bit smaller, like this. Just I will wait 5 seconds to check my stream, and I hope everything okay. So yeah, I choose the wrong resolution, sorry guys. So, and I will do the same thing for the Revit. So it's like this. Yeah, sorry guys, really, every time I have some problems with streams, you know. Okay, so we will work like this. This is challenge for me. Underpart you also cannot see, right? Okay, but underpart, it's not nothing going on there. Anyway, let's make it like this. 1 2 3. Okay, just a few seconds. I'm here. Yeah, now you can see everything. So let's work. Let's work, guys. Okay, here is our Rhino. Nothing special. We not will create today some special things. Oh, it's a bit hard to work with this screen resolution, but okay, I will try it. Here is my front view. I will go to the front view, and I will use, for example, I will use these lines. I will create from that line, and that line. It doesn't matter what we will create today. I just wanna show you the thing what I'm gonna do. So I will change to the maximize view, and now I will copy it. Let's copy it. Oh, sorry, Control Z. Again, I did that. Sorry. Restore. From that part, enter. Maximize view. And let's copy it here, and maybe we will do it more bigger. Just I will use the scale, and let's make it a bit bigger, like this, just to make some different. Thank you. You like my tutorials. It's really if you like my tutorials, just check my previous video. I asked my really nice friend to make the interview, and if you didn't watch it, please watch my previous video. Ask the professional. If you will like it, I will do more kind of things. I will ask more people around the world to make to make the interview with me. So, and if you will like it, so let's select everything, and after that I will go here and I will use the loft. So here is my shape. You cannot see any shape because now I'm using the wireframe again, and I will change to the shaded one. Here is the shaded one. Ta-ta! We did our nice profile in Rhino. So we not will gonna do anything now in Rhino. We will go straight away to the Grasshopper. Let's go to the Grasshopper, and now we will work only there. And I will show you why we did it. Okay, so here now we are inside in Grasshopper. So I will do it a bit smaller to you will see now everything. And what I'm gonna do now? Now I need surface. So let's use the surface. Just double click and surface. So where is our surface? It's here. Our surface, not here. And just right click, and you should here choose set one surface, and just set this surface. Done. Okay, so surface here, and now after that we need scale, because actually this model is totally small. It's really small. Again, double click and write the scale. If you want, I will share later on with you with this script, because after that we will transfer everything to the Revit, not just the form. We will transfer the family inside to the Revit. It means you can change it inside the Revit, and Revit will understand that family. So that's why I hope this will be interesting for you. Okay, so let's make here the number, and which number slider, let's say, and I need the integer number, and let's make it here the 1000, because our scale it's 1000 less than I want, and let's make here the 1000. Let's make the 1000, and let's connect to the factor. I said 1000. Okay, so if I will scroll here, you can see here is my real form. Any comments? No, we not this is the thing. We not will use any Dynamo. We will use only Grasshopper. We will use only okay, I'm lying. We will use Grasshopper and Revit. So yeah, that's it. But we not will do anything in Revit. We will become when we will go back to the Revit. You will find there already shape with your families. What we did before. Okay, let's continue. Here is our scale. Awesome. And what we're gonna do next? Actually, next we need make the quad panels. So let's find the quad panels, because I want to divide this surface to the quad panels. Again, double click and quads panels. Let's find it. Here. And I need quad panels because as you can, if you remember, we did 4 adaptive points, right? 4 main adaptive points. And if you understand how it's working quad panels, it means 4, right? So quad, it means 4. That's why I need quad panels. And here is my quad panels, and let's connect our geometry to the surface. And here I will divide it, because as you can see now it's divided by default. I want actually to control it. So I will copy this slider to here, and I will change the number, for example, to the, let's say 10. This will be maximum 10. And I will copy it again, and I will connect it to here. And I will change here to the 20, let's say 20. And now you will see it will change when, for example, I make 20. You can see it's changing, right? So I will do it here 10, and here I want 20. Let's make 20. Okay, and let's do like this. So here it will be our future something, I don't know, roof, whatever you want. Yeah, that's why I'm saying about the Grasshopper always. I wanna teach you something new, guys. That's why we are doing that things. Okay, so after that we need like unwrap it. We need brep. So let's brep. So deconstruction. Let's connect it. And now we can see all the points. Did you get the point? Now you understand what I wanna do. Can you please write comments, because I want to teach you. I don't want to show you something interesting. I want to teach you. So here we did it, and after that, what I'm gonna do, I just want MEP, and I want that one. I want connect these vertices to that side, and here I want create the number. Let's create the number. Oh no, it's not this one. I want slider again. Where's my slider? Slider, come here. Okay, slider is here. And here I will change. I want to make this this type of the number, and I need 0.00328. Why I need this number? Because actually Revit, Revit working in inches, but now we are working in millimeters. As you can see, it's millimeters. We need transfer our millimeters to the inches, because definitely Revit not will understand. So let's make more numbers, and let's do it again. 0.00328. Let's say okay. So yeah, and let's connect to this A. So it's now we will get on the out we will get the right numbers. So any comments from you? Oh, not any comments. So you understand everything. Nice. So clever people watching me. It's really awesome. Okay, so what are we gonna do next? Next, we should already start work with the our panel. But before we will start, we should save our panel. I will save my panel. Let's save it. I wanna save it, and I will say this panel will call also. Let's make the simple name test one. Okay, so this is name, and this will be on desktop. Let's save it. And now in Revit I will open up, for example, I will create new conceptual mess, So new conceptual mess, and let's load here our new family. Let's load the family. We already know the family is called test1, and let's try if I will find this test1. So test1 is here. Okay, so let's load it inside, but I not will place it anywhere because we will do it from the Rhino. So here is my Rhino, and let's create the new node. We need Revit adaptive component. It's here. This node you can get only if you install the Grevit. It's really simple how to install. Just type on the Google Grevit and you will get it. If you don't know where you can get it, just let me know and I will share with you the link right now. So I will connect my points to the point. So here 4 points, as you understand. And now I need the write the name of the my family. So for that we need use the panel. Let's use the panel. Here our panel, and here I will write test1 because our family called test1, and type of our family also test1 because I didn't change it, and that's why it's test1 too. Okay, awesome. So what we're gonna do next? We are under finish, you know that. Let's make the send. We need now send to the Revit, as you can see, Grevit send, and let's connect it to the C. And now we need bottom, but it's here, bottom, and let's to connect to the send. Finally, we did it. We finish. I will check any comments. Not any comments. Just okay, guys. Now magic. Just look and don't miss out anything. I'm going to the Revit. I'm going to the modify. Oh, not modify. Sorry. I am going to modify. I'm going to the add-ins, and here the Grevit. Just click to Grevit, and now Revit waiting the data from the Rhino. Before I will to send my data from the Rhino to here, I need just go back to the Rhino and just click on this button. So let's do it. Click on this button and just let's wait. Just few seconds. I will silent. I'm still here. I'm just waiting. Yeah, it takes time. Oh, millimeter. Sorry, I think you said nice. I will think you said Guys, done. So what do you think? I will wait some comments. I'm still waiting some comments. I will show you. It's not just a metric generic model. I will select and you can see it's metric generic model, but it's our panel. It's our panel what we did. So it's exactly what we did. So what do you think about that? I will send you now a link, but you just tell me what you think about that. Just hold on, I will send you a link. So here the link. You can create whenever you want. You can create what you want here in Rhino, and after that you can send it to the Revit. If you will understand how working the adaptive family, as you can see, here is my adaptive family. It's really perfectly, as you can see, it's laying really perfectly. If you will understand how working adaptive family, you don't need using Dynamo, you don't need using any parameters in Revit. You just need create and spend time to the adaptive family. Once you create adaptive family, it always will be work with Rhino and Revit, and this is really cool future. you can get the Rhino really for free. I mean, if you are a student, just go to just type on the Google Revit for student, and you will get the Revit for Rhino for student. If you are not still a student, you can get trial version. And I don't wanna spoil and saying like how you can get pirate version. I think everyone know how you can get it. It's not a problem to get Rhino. I really recommend you use the Rhino, because you can see we spent really a few time to create that one. Even I can delete everything right now. I will delete that one. I no one on that one. Let's say I no one do now anymore at this panels. I will go to the again back to the Rhino, and for example I will do some changes here. For example, I will make the scale here. Let's make the scale, and I will do here the more bigger like that. Maybe I will change shape. Let's change the shape. We can change the shape. Oh, it's taking the time because I changed on the Rhino. Sorry. You should try it. I really recommend you guys. You know me, I not will say if it's really worse thing. I will say when it's really nice thing. So I will delete now everything, and let's go to the close-up, and we will create now a new shape. I'll create new shape, and will be last thing what I will do today on this stream. I hope you will find it really interesting. Let's create, for example, maybe shape like this. After that, I will do it somewhere here. I will create one more shape, maybe like this. As you can see, it's totally different. And I will create one more shape like this. You can see how many dots I have here. So oh yes, about the Blender. At the next video I will say, and I will show you the Blender, how you can use it with the Revit. I think you will find it interesting too. So let's go here and let's make the loft, and let's make the shaded one. I will make here the maximize view, and you can see this is my surface. And let's set up this surface. Oh, I did one mistake. Let me here I did one mistake. No, I don't wanna do that more. Yes, and I wanna select it, and I want to create the loft. I didn't make it loft, I'm sorry. Let's say okay, and now let's go back to the where's my it's here, and I need surface. I deleted surface, sorry. Here's my surface, and let's again set the surface. Okay, and let's connect it. As you can see, it's again now getting bigger, so this is 1000 something, and I will do the same thing. Let's connect our bottom to the sand. Let's go back to the Revit. Again, I'm going to the add-ins. I'm using the Revit. Now Revit waiting the data. I'm going again back to the Rhino, and I'll say let's send the data. Let's go back to the Revit, and it's again waiting. I just want to show you how it's working. What the different loft of the why I'm using the loft. Loft, it's like one surface. That's why I need one big surface, because now my script working like when my script only working when I'm using only one surface. I can create like different surfaces, but I need a bit change my script only for that one, because I need only one surface. Done. And let's delete the type. So somewhere we didn't make, so it's somewhere it's crashed because it's my mistake, but anyway we can create it. As you can see, it's really cool without the faces, right? Yes, I created with the faces. As you can see, now I get the mistake, I get the problem. Yeah, why I'm saying about the Revit, guys. Also, Grevit possible to create not only just the panels or adaptive things. If you will go to the Grevit, you will find here the walls, some extrusion, grid lines, levels, everything what you are doing in Revit, you will find here. So if you will understand how working the Revit, you can create all these things inside the Rhino and just transferring to the Revit with the real families in Revit. So that's it. So I hope you will you find it really interesting. Sorry guys, it takes a bit long time. Do you have some questions or some suggestions? Do you like this video? I don't know. Tell me please on the comments, because now I can talking the free, because I'm not doing anything, or I can just show you something if you want, or something else. The script working really easy. Can you put link for the Grasshopper? If you will, yeah, I can. Why not? Grasshopper. Actually, if you will get Grasshopper from the if you will get the Rhino 6, the Grasshopper is already inside there. But anyway, if you have the Rhino 5, you need the Grasshopper. It's here. Okay guys, do you like the tutorials like this? Do you want more about the adaptive family? If yes, I will try to make it more complicated more and more. If you are interested about only adaptive family, I can also speak about the adaptive family, because really our adaptive family is so useful. Even without Grasshopper, we can work with our adaptive family. Let's say here, we have some shape, right, like this, right? And I will extrude it, yeah, like this, and I will create here the surface, as you can see. And now I will just switch on my nodes, and after that I should go to the component. I will find here the my family, and I can link the my family to these nodes like this. And after that, just select this family and use the copy. Dada, our family is useful even without the Grasshopper, as you understand, and it's working also perfectly with the some standard tools in Revit. So once as I said, once you create it, you can use it anywhere. But maybe some people will say, oh, why are you saying like that? Yeah, as you can see, but you know, I just copy it, but sometimes it's not working. Sometimes we have the crashed, because our shape it's not always so perfect. Our shape sometimes it's not symmetrical, and in that point we cannot create our shape perfectly with just one click. I mean, with with the repeat tool. And that's why I'm pretty sure to better use the Rhino with the Grasshopper, because Rhino and Grasshopper will do it automatically if even the repeater not working. So that's why. Okay guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you find it really interesting. Any comments, any questions, maybe any suggestions? Oh, can you also use inline? Inline, you mean inline? How you mean inline? You mean like you mean if I will have the some shape like this? Oh, sorry. If I will have the shape like this, you mean, right? So inline, right? Yes, I can use it. Why not? It's working everywhere. For example, it doesn't matter where I will put my panels, just only to connect the nodes, and after that repeater, and it's working in one line too. So yes. Oh, I have the question for my viewers. I need someone who working in one of the famous architect company, doesn't matter where, in India, in UK, in US, in Malaysia, Japan, doesn't matter. And I want to make some small interview with that guy about the architecture and the Revit. If you know someone and if you can recommend someone, can you please send me to my email, and I will so appreciate you guys. Okay, so for today it's really finished. If you want, just question, do you want this family? I can share with you. Do you want this script, I mean Grasshopper script? If you want it too, I can share it with you also. If you want it, I will do that. If not, just follow me up and do the same thing. I'm in Spain working for architect. Oh yeah, I need architect, not just architect. I need someone who working really long time and can and the people who can say about the architecture in his area, not just a student. If you're working like 5 and more years, yeah, it will be really nice. Welcome, always welcome. The Grasshopper script please, and thanks a lot. Okay, so Mahmoud and everyone else, so I will do like that. When I will post this video to my channel, under this video you will find the link to this model and to the script to the Grasshopper. Is it okay? I think this is will be really okay. Rinus, can you please text me to the email me, and we will speak about it if you're okay with that. Okay, I think that's it for today, guys, and we will see each other later on. Thank you for watching. Please check my previous video, okay? I will be really appreciate you if you will check my previous video and share it. Don't forget, guys, I don't asking you money, I don't asking anything, I just want likes and share, that's it. Okay, for today is finished. Thank you guys for watching and see you the next stream. See ya, bye bye.